Yes,
Okay,
it is
okay, great.
visible.
It is visible, sir.
So nice. Okay, okay. So there are certain opportunities for us as graduates. After the graduation we can go for, so these are the areas where you can go for after the certifying digital marketing courses. Like first one is digital marketing manager, content marketing manager, content writers, inbound marketing managers, social media marketing experts or the specialist, and search engine marketers. So these are the certain things which you can go for after digital marketing courses. There are a lot many other positions also there, because I cannot cover whole course, whole the courses or all the positions which were there for digital marketing. So these are the certain well-known positions which you can apply for after the certifying digital marketing courses. So let's understand one by one what these courses offered. So the first one is digital marketing manager. Now in the digital marketing manager, look what it has been written, that you don't have to have MBA. If you don't have MBA or another degrees, that doesn't matter. But what you have to have is a digital marketing certificate, proper certifying course, a certificate that you have done a professional digital marketing course. Suppose you don't have a digital marketing course, that will also work. Without digital marketing courses also you can go for these areas, but you have to have that experience and expertise in that field. So like you are a student of BA and BCom, so it will be very difficult for you that without going for these courses you cannot apply, because you don't have the expertise. What at best you can do, you can share some memes, change your profiles, these things you can do, but the digital marketing is more than this. So you have to have a certificate. Fine. So degrees are not required here. If you are a simple graduate, that will work. Master's degrees are not required. Now look, the salaries are quite prominent, like 15 to 20 lakhs per annum, and at least you will get 8 lakh per annum for very small startups even. So career opportunities are very good, and digital marketing manager is the highest position which you can get here, because after digital marketing manager you will become CEO. So this is the highest position. Here the work is like manager, what the normal manager is the same work, but here the manager has to work digitally. He has to manage his team in such way that they are doing the work digitally. Here the manager don't need to do the work. Now the next is content marketing manager. Look, the content marketing manager have contents. What is content, right? So in every advertisement we got certain contents. Now how the advertisement went off, how things are promoted, so these all are contents. So who write the content? Look, in content marketing manager there is a team called content writers. Those writers write the content, how to advertise, because there are certain products which are very sensitive and we cannot advertise freely. I mean, we have to have creative in our own ways to promote those products, because in India where we have such diversity, we cannot advertise everything. We cannot advertise pork pickle to every areas, because the region, the diversity does not allow us that. So we have to be very creative here, and these creativities are born by the content marketing managers, content writers, those writers who write like what we have advertising management, you will get as a paper, or not, if not as a paper, that maybe in the marketing, the advertising. So in that advertising, the what we write as a content or script, those things comes here. So if you can think differently how to advertise, how to write contents, those things will come here. Like what are the things which content marketing covers? Like blogs, you can write certain blogs, sales page, copywriting, email communication. You have seen maybe that sometimes we get very creative emails. Congratulations, you are selected, like this. Like it is your you got a very well-known job, like this. Like if you are simply giving an email that hello, my name is this and that, then people are not they are not impressed by your email, and they may not have even watch your email what you have given them. So you have to be creative while giving the emails also. So email communication, little bit of PR means public relation. You can manage the public, ebook publication, video marketing. You have seen that even in the YouTube, you are watching YouTube and suddenly comes a break. Even the video is not ads, in the middle there comes a break. So in those breaks, those ads which were given, those are also in the content marketing. Everything which is scripted is called content, and those content writers, the content manager will manage those content writers. So here content marketing is all about the scripting and all. Now comes to inbound marketing manager. Now inbound marketing manager will try the strategies how we can attract a customer, because the way I can attract Sanjeet, I may not attract the way Mohammed, because these two are very different persons. So every customer is different. Okay, Vanchu got very creative video, I think. Nice. So inbound marketing manager, what we can do, we can create certain strategies how we can attract the customer. So those strategies, suppose the way I can attract Sanjeev. So the strategy, the way I can attract Sanjeev. So those, based on those strategies, the content writers will write the script according to that. So they will give them the strategies and content writers will write. So in inbound marketing manager, the simple thing is that how we can attract the customer. So those decisions are taken here. Then social media marketing experts, as we all know, we are a bit social marketing media expert. We are also in that because we are also sharing memes, doing a lot of things here and there. So in social media marketing, you have seen that in Facebook also we got certain ads. Now the good thing is that suppose